Fast-paced developments coming in on the Sandalwood drug case in Karnataka. In the latest, the Central Crime Branch that's investigating this case has in fact searched the premises of the farmhouse of Aditya Alva, son of late politician Jeevraj Alva. We understand, as per several of the accused who've given their statement to the police, that there used to be private parties that were hosted at this very farmhouse, which saw in fact the utilization of pills like MDMA and drugs like ecstasy also. Let's give you an understanding of the location first off to begin with. This happens to be in the Hebbal area of Bengaluru, which is of course very close to the airport also. And more importantly, we understand that the parties that were being hosted at this very farmhouse used to only in fact feature high profile persons, and there was of course only on invite basis that the parties used to be hosted here. All of those in attendance had to be personally invited by Aditya Alva himself. And more importantly, taking you back to what we were talking about, the usage of the drugs at this very party. So as far as that is concerned, the police is still investigating the statements of all of the accused who've come forward and spoken after during the questioning. But let's remind you that in fact one of the accused over here, Rahul, who's gone on to mention in his statement that there were several parties that were hosted here, and a little while earlier also we did happen to speak to the bodyguard of Aditya Alva himself, who has been absconding for quite some time now. He was on the lookout, the police were on the lookout for him, he was on their radar, but his whereabouts of course were unknown. Now, what's going to be interesting to actually see over here is whether there were more high-profile persons, whether there were more politicians, children that were in attendance at these parties, or whether it was merely the actors and their close friends. Now, also, let's remind you over here that Aditya Alva's name too has featured in the FIR that has another 12 accused persons in total has been registered at the Cotton Pit police station under the NDPS Act. Now, we're also possibly going to be seeing the seizure that was taken. Of course, there were several items that were actually seized from this very farmhouse, and we'll have to wait and see. The police have seized a lot of digital evidence, which is precisely what the police is building their case on, using all of the digital and technical evidence that they've gathered. To give you a larger understanding of this, most of the evidence that the police have gathered so far has been from the mobile phones or the laptops or devices as such, which is mostly the digital evidence in terms of, are we looking at conversations on various social media platforms and photos, possibly some videos. So the case, as of now at least, it's largely based on digital and technical evidence that's being collected, and possibly some footage also that the police might have collected from this farmhouse that could play a key role. Now, as far as Aditya Alva is concerned, his current whereabouts still, of course, remain unknown, but the police is on the lookout for him, and possibly now, after the evidence has been seized from here, we'll have to wait and see if they do arrest him or not.